All right, grade 8, here is your Unit 3 final question. I asked it at the start of the unit and asked you to think about it throughout, and here it is. All right, I think you'll remember this because it's a question I was asked when I had my job interview to be a science teacher with Regina Public. And in the interview, I actually got the question wrong. And then as soon as I was told I was wrong, I already knew what the answer was and I knew the reason why, and I felt so silly. So there's a guy, and he wants to know something. And he wants to figure this out. So let's give him a name. Hugo. Hugo is in a boat. Or Hugo out a boat. Hanging from the side. And he wants to know whether it would be the same or a difference if he was in the boat versus out of the boat. Exact same boat, same person, whether him in the boat or him out of the boat would cause the boat to be higher in the water or lower in the water, okay? So what you need to do is use your knowledge you've learned in this unit about density and buoyancy and try to figure out, would boat A, where he's in the boat, be higher up in the water, so float and be a little more buoyant? Or would B, where he's outside the boat, be a little more buoyant? Would be option B. Or C, they'd be the same. Think about what's different in these cases about where he is, and remember, because density has a lot to do with buoyancy, think about what is there in one situation that's not in the other. Remember the things that Archimedes learned when he went into his bathtub and things were displaced, that sort of thing. Those are just a few clues. So you need to tell me and give your reason why. Tell me, is Hugo in the boat going to be higher, or is Hugo out of the boat going to be higher, more buoyant, or will they be the same?